Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel. We are here bright and early in the morning at Busch Gardens Tampa Bay because we are getting a first look at the brand new Serengeti Flyer attraction. This is a brand new S&S Scream and Swing attraction that's opening up in the Nairobi section of the park, and we are getting our first look at the attraction today. This brand new thrill ride opens up on the 27th of February, and we are here bright and early to get a first look and to check it out early. Let's not waste any more time, guys. Let's head on inside and have some fun. It's always so cool to be at a theme park so early in the morning. Like, there are no cars here. I know this is the handicap lot, but even as we were pulling in, there's like no cars here other than media people. And here we are, Serengeti Flyer media check-in. We have made it inside the park, and good lord, it is a gorgeous morning here today. Holy cow. And here we are at the entrance to Serengeti Flyer. All the construction walls are down. We have a nice little sign pointing guests in the direction of the attraction. This is cool. Oh my gosh, here we are. What a difference a few months makes. Wow, this is gorgeous. They did a really good job with this area. Take a look at that. There is a test seat here for Serengeti Flyer as well. You can see the S&S logo on the seat. Huh, very interesting. Wow. So yeah, it looks like it needs to come literally all the way down in order for it to get the green light. If it comes up even slightly, it's red. Holy moly. Okay, so let's go ahead and film me getting in the test seat. Not that I'm actually gonna ride because I'm terrified of these things, but just so that way you guys can see. Bit of a crotch notch over here, holy cow. Oh yeah, no, my thighs. Oh no, my thighs.
Yeah, buns and thighs.
Yeah, no, I don't think this is gonna work for me.
Are you sure?
Yeah, Coda, I think you're good though. Wow. All right, Coda, your turn. Hop on in.
Oh, it's wet.
Yeah, just a little bit. I should have dried it up for you. And look at that.
Oh no.
You'll be fine. Trust me, you're not going anywhere in that kind of seat. I was not expecting those kinds of restraints. I thought it was going to be like a lap bar that kind of came up and over on you. But no, you're not going anywhere, trust me. All right, it's Coda's turn to ride. All right, on a scale of 1 to 10, how nervous are you?
Yeah.
Yes?
Do I like to wear the costume?
Oh, you can feel that wind.
I know.
Oh my God. Wow. Yes. Oh. Wow. Oh. Jesus. It messes with the roof. It's like a tarp. And we are heading on in. Coda is going to be riding. I'm going to be sitting this one out. But wow, this thing is massive. You ready for this? No? Take a look at this camera rig that they have set up over here to catch POVs. Holy cow. Hello. You can kind of see me.
We don't need this side. So you can get on that side.
Nope. Oh, there's a little bit of a seatbelt too?
Yeah.
Okay. See? You're not going anywhere. You're fine. I love you.
I love you, bye.
I'll see you when you're done. All right, they're recording now. Coda.
Bye.
Have fun.
Platform clear, starting ride.
All right, here she goes. Her first ride on Serengeti Flyer. I'm gonna try and stick with her as much as I can. But you guys already know that we have a camera attached. Poor thing, she's terrified. Oh my goodness. This thing is no joke. It picks up speed real quick. Oh my God. Yep, that's a no from me. Wow. So how was it?
It was good. Yeah, it wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be.
Did it give you the tingles in your stomach?
A little, but that's also because you're like
You get some air time up there, some floater.
tip backwards. You get to see Falcon's Fury. You know?
That's really cool. So I'm sure the view was really nice.
Yeah.
Well, that's good. So was it as bad as you thought it was going to be?
No.
Will you ride it again?
Yeah.
100%?
Yeah.
You excited to ride with your friends?
Yeah.
That's good. I'm glad you enjoyed it, babe. Your hair is a hot mess. Good
Yeah.
Lord. It's very windy, I'm sure.
Yeah, it is.
So Serengeti Flyer is 105 feet tall, but it swings to a height of about 135 feet. And while you're on this thing, you're going to be hitting about 68 miles an hour. Oh my gosh, this thing is a beast. So not only does the lap bar come down, up and over you, but they also push it down. So yeah, you're definitely not going anywhere. If that was ever a concern of yours, you do not need to worry about that. All right, ladies and gentlemen, well, that is gonna do it from us here at Busch Gardens, checking out the brand new Serengeti Flyer. I don't know, guys, based off of the reactions that I've been seeing from people who rode throughout the day, this is gonna be a sleeper hit. This is gonna be a sleeper hit for Busch Gardens, and I feel like this is gonna end up being a must-do attraction for anyone visiting here at Busch Gardens. But just look at this, guys. Oh my God. This thing is absolutely insane. So, out of 10, what would you rate this ride?
I don't know, an 8.
An
My
8?
stomach didn't really drop, but I know some other people are having some issues with it, like motion-wise, but I was okay.
All right, an 8 out of 10, we will absolutely take it. Thank you all so much for watching today's video. I really appreciate it. Leave a like if you enjoyed and drop a comment down below to let me know what you guys thought of today's video. Have you guys ever been on an SNS Scream and Swing? Let me know down in the comment section below and let me know your experiences. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, morning, afternoon, evening, and we will see you guys in the next video.